Hi everyone, did you see that? So what you actually see here is an electric skateboard with an hub motor in one of its wheels. It has the battery built in on all the drive circuits, and it has a remote control which I can control the speed with. The reason I'm making this video is to make a challenge for is to put forward this challenge to all the engineering and diploma students and other startups which have something common with EV. The challenge is pretty simple. It is closely related to railways and electric vehicles. So maybe I can call this SuperSpeed Mini EV. So the challenge here is, let me be quick. We have this electric skateboard, an electric vehicle basically. Now this can go on road without any issues, but its speed will be restricted when we are operating it manually on a rough terrain. So what if we bring in some railways into it? So that is what I want you guys to, by guys I mean both boys and girls of the engineering stream. So let's add a track in here. So this is the challenge. Put an electric vehicle on a railway on track, a guided track, and what is the speed you can achieve? How fast can you make it go? To me, a good I would, as I said, it's a SuperSpeed Mini EV. I want a goal of like at least 250 kilometers per hour to be achieved. The basic idea is this: put an electric vehicle on a track, a guided track, and which means it's not about just buying a skateboard and putting it here. So you may have to design your own vehicle, from the drivetrain to the chassis to the power supplies, wheels, motors, belt drive or chain drive or hub motor, whatever it is. It's up to you. The mechanical engineers can do that. The electrical engineers will have to pitch in and put up the circuits for it and identify the power requirements and all the battery and whatever technology, power delivery technology goes there. You may have to design a lot of things from ground up to bring up such a system, and but for the prototype we could just use an existing device like this, but the initial challenge would be in designing a track which can sustain the load and the speeds at which this device would be traveling, and remember, this is not just going to be a single vehicle. As we progress, we may have to add multiple vehicles on the same track, and the vehicles have to be platooning, which means there are a lot of technical terms you will be learning when you work on these projects. Platooning is multiple modules of the vehicle following each other, but maintaining a safe gap. So when you're talking about maintaining a distance between each other and also the speeds, we will be coming across a lot of technical know-hows from other areas, like in the car department, like autonomous protocols, where we have vehicle to vehicle communication systems, vehicle to infrastructure communication systems, So can the wireless communications work at such high speeds? So these are challenges which the ECE students could face if you all work together. The civil engineers will have to develop the sleepers between the tracks, the ballast system, the elevated elevation or whatever you call it. So it is a quite a challenging concept, I think, for all the departments to work together, and this could be a challenge between universities at first, but as we progress, it could the the prototypes that really come out well. It could be from different the teams from different colleges could then join together and work together uh, as a single concept. So right now this is your challenge. Um, let's see what we can do in 6 months, what you guys can bring out in 6 months. A prototype which probably can achieve like 100 kilometers per hour. uh, that would be cool. If possible, you can design your own system. You could put you could find 8-inch wheels, hub powered wheels in Amazon or IndiaMart, and or you could design your own build drive system, design your own vehicle. We could also talk about third rails for power delivery. Fine, let's make maybe a 100-meter test track. Each of your university or the universities in within Pondicherry can make their own test track of say 100 meters. So are you guys ready for this challenge? And show us the first prototype in 6 months, say June of 2022.